how I'm woke up every morning. My grandson, my wife's little boy, jumps up on me all the time. My granddaughter, which sleeps on the floor next to me all the time, bothers me. The mom's there. And then the dad jumps up on the back of the couch trying to climb on too. They give me a hard time in the morning waking me up. All four of them. And the dad's bigger than I am, I think. Weighs almost as much as me. He's the one with the very dark background there, trying to climb on the couch with me now. But the grandson is very, very protective. He don't want anybody else to be petted by me. So, it took me about 5 minutes to get up off the bed, off the couch where I sleep. How would you like to be woke up like this? He likes to bite too, but he doesn't hurt. He just plays. He bites me every time I pet his sister, or his mom and dad. Lady, the mom of the kids, is still a little shy because she was locked in a cage her whole life in a puppy mill. Now she's living with me, free as a bird, almost.